Hey guys, so welcome to the second history video. So you might have this template here, which is the Tudor house, and now I'm going to cut it. So as you can see here with this document, there are some lines here. Maybe you cannot see it very well, but you can see in your page. There are some lines, black lines, where you need to cut. Here, at this part here, we also have a black line, and I'm going to cut it here because this is going to separate the first floor to the second floor. So we need to cut this template very carefully. So I will be doing it at this moment. So I'm going to cut the video, and when I come back, this is going to be ready. Okay, so you have this time. If you want, you can pause the video and cut your template as I will do now. So see you soon. I will stop the video, cut this page, and come back. Well, so now it's ready. Here, I cut here, and it's ready. So now it's time to glue it, and we are going to fold it also. So let me put the camera like this so you can see it. Well, we have here the Tudor house. This is the leftover papers, so we can keep them because we can use it. So here we have the Tudor house. We can see some dotted lines here. So we need to fold it. So that's the number 1. Always putting it here to this part that there's nothing drawn here. The second number, and the roof. Like this, and this part here. Okay, here we have the number 6 and number 3 again, like this, so we can see here inside. How is it? Number 7 here, and the roof also here inside. Folding everything. This is the number 4 and 5. Here we can see the dotted lines. This one, there's a dotted line here. Here we have a dotted line. And this part. So now we have this, and we can open. If you need more time to fold it, no worries. Pause the video, fold everything, do it calmly. And now it's time to glue. Great. So let's glue. First thing, pick up the glue, and let's see if we can have an order. Okay, so here, using this document, we are going to follow the order. So next, fold the house, add some glue to tab 1. Let me see here, where is the tab 1? Oh, here, tab 1. Tab 1, so add some glue to the tab 1. Just a little bit. Add some glue to the tab 1 and stick it to the decorated side of the wall next to the door. This part here. So we have at this side the door and here the number 1. So we need to glue this part to this one. So the door is going to be here. That's the first thing. The door and the tab number 1. Great. So now the second tab. Just over here. The second tab and here. This part with the second tab. Just a little bit, glue it, like this. So we have the first floor and the second floor. Okay, so now we have the number 3 at this side and number 4 just here. So let's add some glue to the number 4 and number 3. And that's the roof. So we are going to glue the number 4 and the number 3 that's over here. Okay, so now we just have this part of the roof to glue. So the first thing is number 5 here, number 6, and the number 7. That's here at the top of the roof. So we put this like this and glue here. Everything just inside of the house, and wait a little bit so it can glue. So we have now the Tudor house, and this we don't need to glue anything here. It's just to help the house to stay like this. So it does not fall down because it has this part. So the house can be stand up. Great. So that's the first part. And now, following here, when it's ready, check the presentation again. So let's go there and level all the features of the Tudor house. So I have here, and we have the key features. So let's write. As I told you, you can use these leftover papers to write. So the first thing is the water and daub. So write here water and daub. The second is the timber, the black timber. Remember that? The third thing is the wooden frame. Wooden frame. And the steep roof. Jetty. And the glass. Tiny panes of glass. So now they are here. I will cut that's the first, water and dub, the black timber. That's the second. We have the wooden frame. The steep roof. Jetty. And the tiny panes of glass. Here they are. Great. So now we need to glue it. The first thing, water and dub. Is it possible to see here? No, of course not, because this is inside. When they are building it, they use the water and dub, so you can glue it wherever you want, because this is inside. I will use this part here, the back of the house, to glue the water and dub. Now it's the timber. So as you know, they use the black timber here at the wooden frame, on the top of the wooden frame, to protect it. So I will put here the timber at this side. Just here. Timber. Now the wooden frame. Well, we can see all the wooden frames here, so you can pick up whatever you want. So I will pick up this side and glue here the wooden frame. These are the wooden frames. The jetty. The jetty is this part here. As we can see, the first floor and the second floor. So the second floor is a little bit bigger than the first, sorry. So we are going to put here jetty. Now we put here jetty. So that's this difference. The steep roof, of course I will glue it here on the roof. And the tiny panes of glass. And at this part, because that's the window, like this. So now my house is ready, and with all of the key features that we talked about. if you want, you can make labels about the materials. So as this house is really small, we can see here, you can have another house to do it. If you want to put everything together at the same house, the materials and the key features, that's also okay. If you want to write all of the materials that they use, for example, glass, wood to the wooden frame, water and daub, this black tar coat to do the timber. If you want to write it and explain it tomorrow during the class, that's okay also. So you need to have your tutor house tomorrow during the Zoom class and present your project, okay? So you need to present it tomorrow. Is that okay? Okay guys, I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next video, which is creative class. So bye bye.